Okay, so welcome back, and so now in this example we're going to do a percent decrease, and so we're going to use the same formula. We're going to find out what is the amount of decrease in the situation. So what's the situation? So we know, okay, based on this problem, it says molten iron shrinks 1.2% while cooling. What is the cooled length of a piece of iron if it is cast in a 24 centimeter mold? So you pour the molten iron into this mold that is 24 centimeters long. Okay? So then after you cast it in the mold and you let it cool, what is going to be the new length, the cooled length? Okay? So, again, this is the amount of shrinkage, right? So this is the decrease. Right, so that's the percent change. It decreases by 1.2% in length. Okay, so we want to know what is that cooled length? What is that decrease amount? The cooled length. Okay, so careful. We want to know what the cooled length is. Okay. Okay, so what is the cooled length? So first, there's two pieces here. We need to find out the amount of the decrease, and then we have to figure out what is the new length. What is that cooled length? Okay, so this is going to be a two-step process here. Okay, so and its original size or length is 24 centimeters because that's what the molten lava's put in there. So we want to know, first of all, we need to find out what is the amount of decrease. Okay, so the amount of decrease in this case is equal to the percentage that it's going to go down, the percent decrease, the percent change, times the amount that you start with, the length, the original length. So it's going to be 0.012 times 24. So what is the amount that it decreases in length? Well, you put that in your calculator and you find out that it's going to be 0.288. That's the amount of shrinkage. 0.288 centimeters. Okay? Now, what's the question? Now, this is not the final answer. That's just one step. Because it says, what is the cooled length of a piece of iron? This is the amount of shrinkage. That's the amount that the length decreased. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this amount and subtract it from the original amount. So the amount of decrease is going to be used. So the cooled length is going to equal the original length, right, which is 24, minus the amount of shrinkage, which is 0.288. And so this is going to give us what? 23.712 centimeters. And that's the answer. So notice that we had to find the amount of the decrease using this formula and then use that to get our cooled length by subtraction. And that's it. Have a great day.